So here at ButtaBeanz, you know we do anything and make everything look good. So I'm just gonna leave it right here and let you look at it. Now I'm gonna show you how we made it. First, we're gonna start with some fresh shrimp. And we're gonna season them things. I took some coarse salt, put it in my little grinder and grinded some of it up. Then I sprinkled a little bit over these shrimps. Add a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, some red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat, you know, I like heat, and some coarse pepper. Put some pepper on grinded up shrimp. Put some pepper on them. Now I use a little bit of olive oil to help everything coat and get incorporated with it. Now I mix it all up, and we're gonna set these aside for about 20, 30 minutes. Over here, we're gonna take some garlic and smash them. I love smashing garlic, and I love garlic in all of my dishes most of the time, and I go overboard with garlic. So once I get all my garlic, I mince them up real small, heat me some grease up in my skillet, and put those seasoned shrimp down. Just let them cook about a minute on each side before you start flipping them. And trust me, I love my cast iron skillet. All right, so we're gonna take all of them out of here. We're gonna keep all that flavor at the bottom right there. We're gonna throw in some butter. And we're gonna take a wooden spoon and kind of scrape the bottom to get all that flavor up. Take my minced garlic that I just chopped up, and we're gonna put it in there for about 30 seconds till you smell that aroma. Keep stirring so it won't brown. Now we're gonna add some of that Sauvignon Blanc white wine. This is helpful flavor. Stir that up. You see it reduces. Add a little bit of fresh lemon juice right here. And now we're gonna add in our heavy cream. Use as much as you like. I love it. All right, so we're gonna mix it up here. Continue stirring. Looks a little weird, but trust me, it tastes really good. Stir, stir, stir. Here we go. So now we're gonna add in some of my Romano cheese. I love this kind. I get it from the shelf store. And I actually add a little bit more, but this is how you do it. So we're gonna stir this in so it won't cook on the bottom, and right here add a little bit more seasoning, some black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now we're gonna take our fresh spinach and put in there and give that a stir. Yes, 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 this looks good. Now we're gonna take our shrimp that we took out of the skillet, and we're gonna add that and get all that juice in there. That juice is flavor. This is flavorful. If you like flavorful dishes, here we go. So now I just plated it up with some of those rice noodles. You can use any noodles you like. Then I just pour that Alfredo Parmesan seasoning on top and take a scoop out of it. Oops, I forgot the shrimp. Let me get one of them. Hope you guys like this recipe. Follow me for more.